Legal malpractice in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. I'm attorney Neil Burns, and I'm with the law firm of Burns and Jain, and we represent victims of legal malpractice in Massachusetts, and we've been doing so for over 30 years. Many years ago, we did a study of attorneys who were disbarred or sanctioned by the Board of Bar Overseers, and it's pretty extensive and it's pretty interesting if you're interested in that field, and it's on our website. You can certainly read it. There's an update that's somewhat analogous by the American Bar Association, and there's a study that they did, and it's actually dates back to 1985, but they updated it recently. And some of the things are quite similar to our study, which is 10 years old, and I wanted to talk about that a little bit today. Our story started with the most salacious, notorious, and dramatic. And this study here by the American Bar Association is much more comprehensive. It goes through the whole country and Canada. But the two things that I noticed when I read this report that are somewhat interesting for our practice here in Massachusetts is, number one, that the number one area of law for claims in all of the U.S. and Canada is personal injury. Now, we also represent victims of personal injury, so we have a particular sensitivity to this. And when I look at our claims, they tend to be attorneys who blew the statute of limitations, attorneys who didn't understand the area of law that's called civil procedure, and also conflict of interest in a case where you might represent two people in the same automobile, and you can't do that necessarily. But this is the number one claim in the U.S. and Canada for legal malpractice. And number 10 on the list, but similar, is defense of personal injury cases. Now, if you think about it, these are insurance companies that hire defense lawyers. Very, very few in the past. However, it's the fastest growing field of legal malpractice. Insurance companies are actually reporting their defense attorneys for malpractice. They're actually going against their own attorneys for malpractice. And these are insurance companies that are professionals in hiring attorneys. That's the fastest growing field according to the ABA study. So for you folks that have a chance to listen to this video, if you're a victim of legal malpractice and personal injury, if you had a case that went bad, that you know went bad because statute of limitations was blown, or you lost because of some technicality in civil procedure, give us a call. If you think you got misrepresented in a mediation or an arbitration or a trial, give us a call. We've been doing this, as I said, for many, many, many years. I've been representing victims since 1985. My partner, Jain, has been representing victims for more than 15 years. We're in court all the time. We have the experience to represent you, to be aggressive, and to be effective. Give us a call. It's a free initial consultation. Thank you.